Hi everyone, this is the complete PC optimization guide for the Forever Winter game. I will show you guys the 14 important settings that you need to apply to optimize your PC for this game. So the first setting is set high performance power plan. Go to the Windows Set tab, here the power plan and open it, then click on the power options. Click on the create a power plan, then just click on the high performance, then just click on the next, then just create it. Now the next important setting is just turn off system configuration services. So go to the Windows search and just type with the system configurations and open it. Then go to the services. Now here just check this box at the height, then just disable all because these are the useless. Then just click on the apply, then just go to the boot, then just click on the advanced options and then just select the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 816 selected, then the third solution or the setting is disable startup apps. Right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager, go to the startup and here just disable all the application from here because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage. And guys, the next important setting is the clear all Windows cache. So go to the Windows search and just type here the run and open it and just type here the commands. These are the command which is the temp and temp percentage. Then just delete all the folders you are seeing here because these are the junk files or the cache files. Then you can open up the folder of temp percentage and also you can disk cleanup. The fifth setting is the disable high precision event timer. So go to the Windows side tab with the device manager and open it. Now here just scroll down in the system devices. You will find the high precision event timer. So just scroll down until you find the high precision event timer. So make a right click on it and just disable this. After that, now the next important setting is the close background as from task manager. Now this is not very necessary, so just skip it. The next setting is to disable all the background application from the privacy settings. So just open up the privacy settings. On the left hand side, scroll down, click on the background ads and just disable all of these applications because these applications consume a lot of CPU or RAM usage on your PC background. Now guys, the next important setting is turn off notification. Now this is your choice. If you want to turn off, you can just turn it off. Now the next important setting is just turn off fast startup. So go to the Windows search and just type here the power options or power plan. Now it will appear on the top, so simply open it. Now here just click on the power options, then just click on the option of choose what the power button do. Then just click on the change settings and just select here. Then just uncheck this box or the turn on. Then just click on the save changes. The next setting is to enable game mode. So just go to the Windows search and just open up the game mode and just turn it on. Now the next setting is increase virtual memory. So go to the Windows search and just type here the view advanced system settings and open it. Now here in the advanced, click on the change, then just go to the advanced, then just click on the change, then just select your C drive where your operating system is installed. So go to the Windows search, type with the calculator, and if you have the 8 GB of RAM, then just multiply it with the 1024, which is the constant value, and just type this value in the maximum in the initial size, and just multiply this value with the 3 and just type this value in the maximum size. Now guys, if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the 1024, which is the constant value, and just type this value in the initial size. You can do same with the if you have the 12 GB of RAM, 32 GB of RAM, you can multiply with the 1024, type this in the initial size and just multiply it with the 3, then just type this in the maximum size, then just click on the set, then just apply this. Now the next setting is to increase number of processors, and this setting I already show you in the start of this video, so you can simply check it. Now the 13th setting is to turn off the core isolation. So go to the Windows search, type with the core isolation and simply open it. Now here make sure that this is off, so it is not very necessary, so just turn it off. The next setting is the graphics setting. So go to the Windows search, type with the graphics settings and open it. Now here just click on your game, then just click on the options, then just select it to the high performance. Now to add the game, click on the browse option. Now here just go to the game installation folder where your game is installed, then just select your game launcher or exe file, then just click on your game launcher, then just click on the options, then just select it to the high performance. The next additional settings is to make sure your graphic card is updated and make sure your Windows is also updated to the latest version. And after all of these settings, you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes and then launch the game. And now your PC is completely optimized for the Forever Winter game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.